Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect and delicious coconut buns. This is one of the popular street snacks in Nigeria, best enjoyed with a very chilled drink. Nigerian buns are loved by all, and if you do not like it, then you must love its brother, puff puff. For me, I love the both. So guys, let's get started. We're going to start by mixing all the wet ingredients. So in a bowl, I added the butter,
MIRA'S kitchen dey for you. Dem dey for put call we active
crack in some eggs. You can use more or less, okay? Full list of ingredients will be dropped in the comment section or description box below. So grab yours and enjoy these wonderful Nigeria snacks. So I added in the condensed milk. The next is the coconut milk. You can use the homemade or store-bought. Yeah.
Many place where you dey. MIRA'S kitchen dey for you. MIRA'S kitchen dey for you.
Now it's time to add the sugar. Yeah. Okay, you can add more or less depending on your preference. So the next is to add in all the dry ingredients. So I started by sieving in the flour. My little tips. Some people have been asking me, to make buns, do we need yeast or baking powder? That's a very nice question. To make buns, you are to add baking powder, not yeast. So I added my baking powder, nutmeg powder, and little salt. Okay, make sure whenever you want to make your buns, you use baking powder, all right, not yeast. Yeast is made for puff puff. So I added my coconut flakes, 1 spoon. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Yeah.
Belle dey turn, stomach dey rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, e go humble your spirit. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey. MIRA'S kitchen dey for you. MIRA'S kitchen dey for you.
And now that we are done mixing, everything is perfect and the consistency is 100% super. All right, so cover it up and allow it to rise for about 30 minutes.
Dey wash and cook na so son. Enjoy yourself for tabi follow. You don't need to dey bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with.
While we are waiting for the batter, so what I did next was to add some vegetable oil into a pot and allow it to heat up.
Kitchen dey for you. Dem dey for
30 minutes later, back to the batter. Yeah, so I open it up and give it a wonderful and nice mix. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, the type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, we've not even started frying. So it is time to start frying. Okay, I will start by dropping in a small batter to test the readiness. If the batter flow at top, then it is ready. As you can see, it is ready. Carefully drop the batter in the hot oil, batch by batch, and please make sure not to overcrowd the oil. All right. My second tips: make sure to reduce the heat each time you are frying a new batch, then turn the heat back up. If not, you might end up with halfway cooked, outside cooked, and inside uncooked, or your buns will soak a lot of oil. And I hope you don't want that, right? So you can see the buns is ready. I have gotten the
It's always a solution. Looking for
exact color that I need. If you want it more brown, you can still go on and be frying. So we are done. Use a slotted spoon and transfer the buns on a colander or paper towel. Alright, I'm going to be repeating this process until I am done using up the whole batter, right? If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys.
for you. Mira's kitchen there for you. And there for put score we active.
Our coconut buns is ready. You can enjoy these wonderful, delicious snacks with any chill drink of your choice. Just check out and see. Very soft, less oil, crunchy. Yeah. Hope you try out this recipe and let us know what you think in the comment section. See you guys in our next one and remain blessed. Bye.